What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the video. We're heading on our way to see our buddy Owen on his DRZ400SM, and we're gonna rip it today. We're currently running the latex glove trick. Shout out Brian636 who put me onto that. It keeps your fingers a lot warmer, and it helps when, you know, your gloves already have holes in them. Right, let's see if Owen beat me here today. He never does. It's always me first. Ha! No shit, there he is. Look at his helmet, dude. The helmet, dude. What's good?
If I keep it on while I'm not moving, it just literally, I can't see.
Dude, let me see this thing. Was this like a skin you got off of like Amazon or something?
It's called Moto Lube.
Oh, now we're doing it. All right.
Yeah, you got the helmet on too.
Looking very active in this photo. Yeah, thank you. Have a good one. Some random Red Bull people just came up to us for some promo photos. Owen is now a model for Red Bull. Are you gonna wheelie? You always wheelie, really? I could see you rocking one of these. Oh, okay. Well, that was interesting. You went and then he was gonna go, but then he wanted to wait for me to go, and then I went, but it was just really awkward. Attaboy, Santa. I'm gonna grab the little ball. We can't turn yet in the wheelie. That's our one flaw. Try a wheelie here. Get into the second gear and then pop that bitch. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. Cover over the rear brake, my friend. The rear brake. Dude, you gotta go give kids gifts or something wearing that hat. Shit, man. No, you've never been here. Oh, fuck. Ah! Yeah, look at all that trash. Hands are a little chilly, but you want to go up this way? We can go to that little parking lot area, then swing back down, hit Kelly back. Santa, come back! I like this better. If you could only see what I'm doing back here. Oh, who's driving the Urus? Sheesh. It's a dude. Ah. Dude, you messed up the freaking GoPro. Look, someone's practicing parallel parking. Yeah, but anyways, that lady at the gas station, she was pissed that I went in front of her. Said she would shoot me if she had her gun, but I think she was lying. I know, that's what I'm saying. They did it. Woo! Man, I spent a lot of hours practicing in this exact parking lot. The old days, yeah, before Owen. Those were the days. Just slow down a little bit. Slow down, get a quick pop-up, and then just once you're there, like just pop it up high, and if you get scared, just tap the rear brake. But slow down a little bit. Yeah, see? Let's see it, Santa.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Alright guys, so we just met a random guy who is German, and I speak German. Ich bin der Connor. Und wie heißt du denn? Gerd? Okay, ja, schön dich kennenzulernen, Mann. Okay, warte mal, ich zeig dir einen Wheelie.
Shorty going stupid, going straight dumb. With us, I'm a big time nigga, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother now.
Alright. I'm going fakey, dude. Owen and I are going to start heading back home-ish, sort of. Going to swing by ChickfilA and see if it's open. Oh, my Red Bull. I know, dude. I already am proud, dude. You've made great strides. It's like going to the gym, dude. You can only do so much in a day. You're not going to get any better or stronger. And then, so you rest, and then you get at it another day. I'm trying to be a good Samaritan. Ugh. Oh, there we go. All right. Trash is thrown out. See if we can do a donut. Oh, it can be done. It's weird. It's weird because it hooks up now. All right, we got to get up to ChickfilA. Yeah, let's just do the grass. It's not too slick. Oh, oh. Oh my God, is it open? Dude, it's fucking open. Holy line.
Niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Knee deep in the game and I'm still the same, nigga. Why you always hating? That's a damn shame, nigga. Gotta split the profits with the ones that came. With your other homies, share the vision. Yeah, we got the same picture.
Alright guys, the Chick-fil-A has been secured. Just a single spicy chicken Sammy. This is where the tank bag comes in handy though, because, well, these gloves out of here. You can just throw this right in there. It fits perfectly. Ironically, me and Owen both have this tank bag, and we both had it before we even met one another. So like we both separately went out and got it, but it's a really nice tank bag. But I think we're about to head back home here because it is chilly and we got stuff to do. I'm very interested to see where you fit that, because just my spicy chicken sandwich fits in the tank bag. Pocket the sauce. Alright, let's just take the quick way. Heading home. Dude, I can't wait to eat this Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich though. Alright! Alright, here's the spot to Wheelie. Where are you? And we go back. Back and back and back. Ooh, hello! You like that? Alright, you got it, you got it. 3, go! Hey, hey, there you go. Owen is getting better at wheelies, day by day. Hour by hour. Oh, baby! That looks good! That looks good! That looked good, dude. Oh! 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 Woo! That's so much better, dude.
I like to meditate. I be higher than a bird, I like to levitate.
You see how far back I am?
It ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get colder where I live. Still the same number if you got
yeah, you gotta just practice consistently, otherwise you lose it.
I ain't trying to be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up shopping at the Dollar Tree.
Oh, we took the turn! Oh my God, that had to be like, oh, dude, my hands are friggin', I can't feel them anymore. They're so sore. I've been meaning to get bigger foot pegs because it helps you lock in more, like real grippy ones, like sharp ones. Yours are really bad. Yeah, you have no grip. Dude, they're getting a lot better. This is how mine looks before. Look at this fucking mobile. He's got a dog in the back. That's sick. Yup, yup. Oh, baby. Getting better, dude. I love it. I'm on your left. Hey, hey, hey. Just doing wheelies with my boy. Oh, big bump. Your girlfriend's like, I'm not riding on the back of that bike if you wear that on your head. We gotta outro this video. I just make an outro. Just make an outro, bro. That's all I'm asking. Epic wheelies. Owen's getting a lot better. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and support your local Chick-fil-A. Peace. Oh, no! Oh, that one was on camera. Goodbye.